What are you doing down there? Mussie's on the floor, meant to be eating his dippy egg.
Ow.
Out, which is going hard. So guess who's eating the dippy egg? Mama's eating the dippy egg.
Dippy egg.
With her tea.
Dada.
And the eggy.
Dada.
And
yeah.
the toast soldiers.
Yeah.
Yay! Look at Mummy.
Mommy's got your dippy egg in my bibby.
Look at Mummy's bibby. Look at Mama's bibby.
Yummy dippy egg.
Oh yeah, call it bib.
Baby.
Oh, that was actually yum.
It's for Mussie.
Oops, I
Yeah.
ate the hat. It's okay.
You ate the hat already?
Yeah.
I've
Oh, that's a tea bag. Did Nana make you dippy egg? Yeah.
Sitting down. Mussie, what's
My dinner. Ama? Ama?
Amma?
Ama.
Body?
Yeah, Coco John.
Julia? Jeffy?
Jabba?
Nene? Jenny?
Who's Jenny? Oh, what about Jaron?
What about Jara?
Oh,
Purdy? Purdy?
oh, good boy.
Scout? Black pussy? What color is this one? Brown? And this one is? White. White.
You don't? Well, I've got 5 towels that I completely need this. That just completely... Because that's the thing, I feel like, did you even... Like, the way you're sounding is...
I could feel his heartbeat.
Oh, stop!
Going like a baby heartbeat.
Oh,
So his
stop!
heart must have been right next to my ear or even on my
Oh, that's gorgeous.
ear.
Oh, so
Oh my god, this is heartbeat.
Oh.
And like, even though it was a really rough night, one of the worst, I think, how amazing is it? I never thought
so much water's in the kettle. I gave you one of your teas.
I thought, I never thought I'd get to experience this.
Yummy breakfast.
So
Where I'm
excited.
sitting here. But did you never think you'd experience grandkids because you're so old?
Oh my god!
Like, was that the reason though?
I don't know how to answer that.
What about when I said to James, oh, she was old when she had me, so that's why. And he went, oh, that'll be right. And I'm sure she told you. He goes, I'm sure she told you. I'm like, yeah, of course I did. Duh.
Better shit. Look at me. Well, I don't like looking like that on the blog. I always look nice.
I'm trying to get the light right. You look beautiful on the vlog.
I don't think so.
You do. I need everyone to hear when I tell you that these Studdex studs.
Oh no! Again! Oh my god!
These new Studdex studs.
What?
The pair you got me and the pair that the 2 pairs that I picked up yesterday are amazing.
Oh, hallelujah!
Because they're surgical steel, like duh, of course, like.
Yeah, but you just told me that the other ones.
The other ones, the Mesa ones, were irritating.
With the little butterfly thing?
They weren't surgical steel, they were nickel free.
Oh.
But there's probably still elements that irritate some people. Anyway, because of how good my Studdex have turned out, I think I might try and pierce.
I will amputate your ear before
I
we
might
get to
try
that.
and pierce my cartilage.
Oh my god.
And then I could wear my COUTURE again.
You will not be piercing your
that
cartilage.
you slash me
Oh my
got me.
god. Darling, please don't do it. Your husband will be mortified.
Such
It's really
a good
cheap.
idea. Do you know what my sister-in-law calls me when I had my cartilage pierced?
What?
She said, you look like a cat back in the old country, because they would always tag the cat. I was like, great. Okay. The struggle is real, people. The struggle is real. This way, we're going this way. Come in the car. One horse. And he's carrying the rest of them. Because oh, get the horse. Get the horse. Where's the horse? It has been a lazy Sunday. Lazy. It's just someone still.
Oh my gosh. Goodness. Isn't there a rule of thumb that says if you do nothing, you're tired of?
Apparently. We could go to the park.
Oh, you know, wait. Yeah, we're going to get the chino. You have to wait for
Can't
that.
have a dummy if you're having chino. Bye, dummy. Okay, bye. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Look, Mussy. Look, Mussy.
Hi, guys.
Look. In here. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Good boy.
We're
Good
making
boy.
chino.
He's telling you to make it. No, he said baby
You
chino.
have to put the lid on.
Okay.
You have to see this light, Mussy. Yeah, but hold on because it's going everywhere. Under.
I thought you took a little baby chino of mine.
I did.
Where'd it go?
Here.
Baby chino. The chocolate stuff. He's trying to open it. It's on your hand now. Lick your hand. Lick it. Lick. Lick.
Ready, Mussy, look, the light's off. Ready? Get your cup and your spoon.
No, he's going to keep pouring it on his hand now that he's learnt that.
Ready? Take the lid off and look. Look! Watch, hot.
Wow. That is a really good froth.
It's amazing.
Where did you find it? A sunbeam.
Let's put this on the
Milk
top.
frother.
Ready?
I'll try and find this,
Yeah.
guys, and link it below if you like just creamy milk froth. Like,
It
Baby
makes hot
Gina.
milk. It makes cold milk as well.
okay, we have to. Okay.
Try. Mmm.
Delicious.
Delicious.
He thinks baby chino comes with marshmallows automatically. Hot?
Not hot.
It's not hot.
Yum. That's a chocolate.
Yeah.
You want? Okay. So A little bit more.
So it has been a very lazy, sleepy Sunday.
We put it away.
Mussy had kind of like a tummy ache slash kind of like a little reflux attack. I think it's really... I'm trying to see if the sun's come out to go to the park, but Mum's saying no. So he kind of just had a really sore tummy and just wasn't really good after nap time, during nap time. So I just stayed with him in actually Mum's bed, and she came out. She didn't go in the guest room. She came out and slept here. So that's what we've been doing, is just being really lazy today, which is not that proactive. That's okay. It's a Sunday.
Yeah.
What is an update? We are going to New Zealand on Friday.
On Friday.
Oh, we're coming to New Zealand. Hi New Zealand. We're coming to Auckland, Mum and I, for a little holiday. I'm not going to be able to see Katie to get infills on these eyelashes, so I bought Ardell individual lashes just to fill the holes myself and see how long that lasts, and then they can just fall off on their own, to keep them nice and full, because they're definitely... I care for them, like I brush them out every morning and I don't really get them wet under the shower, but I don't know. I always feel like they just fall off so quickly. But yeah, that's the update on my lashes, and Mussy's feeling a lot better.
On my lashes?
Oh. So that is it for now. You're in exactly the same position as we were this morning on the vlog. And Mum wants to show you her froth she just made. That is all steamed milk.
Steamed milk with froth in it, because you have a choice.
Look at that, baby Chino. That is, someone is very sucky, so he has to have Bunny and Dummy. And I just told Jills he's taken a favour to only the white horse and the spotted horse, and he does not like the black horse.
Right?
He keeps pushing it away. He wouldn't even feed it. I knew you would do that.
Go trucks.
Come on the trucks. Wow. Wow. Clever.
I'm Lucy. I'm Horsey. Horsey.
He can go on the back like this.
Pops.
Yeah.
Oh no, what about their hay?
Horsey.
What pops?
Oh
They're very heavy.
They're actually really heavy, like proper Reader's Digest collective, like set.
no.
I don't think they're meant to go in that truck.
Mussy, these are legit horses. As I said, your daddy will buy you a horse one day.
And who's going to feed the horse?
I don't know where. I don't know where you'll keep it, but
No.
anything you want, darling, your daddy will buy for you.
Well, the garden dies, everything that goes in the garden, so you have to feed a horse every single morning, and if you don't, they die. This is going to be a challenge.
Great.
Getting up at 6:30 to go to the adjustment stable to feed the horse, exercise the horse. What about shovel its poo? It's manure.
Mussy can learn all this. No way. No way. Okay, Mussy, we're going to say bye on the vlog now. We're going to say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Take your dummy out and say bye, guys.
Take your dummy out and say bye, guys.
Say, and then you can put it back again.
Yeah. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Say see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Say
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Say Say thanks for watching.
Bye.
All we're getting is bye. Bye, guys.